Model, 2017 Vauxhall Combo 2300 L1H1 Cdti SSE Flex ULEZ compliant spares OR repairs Starstruck. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 172845. MOT, the 27th of March 2024. Engine, 1248 cc 1.3D. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs perfects, bottom end bearings are knocking. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary, this is perfect to make it into a very cheap ULEZ van or perfect to break to. Bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the